Lot S132 is a 1969 Plymouth GTX with a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration, a 440 V8, and a 4-speed. And it sold for $99,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 96,980 miles. An Arizona car, documented nut and bolt rotisserie restoration, completed in 2014 by Keith Noel Automotive in West Branch, Iowa. Broadcast sheet, fender tag, matching numbers 440 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, matching numbers 4-speed manual transmission, matching numbers rear end, A33 track pack, AM radio with cassette, black vinyl roof, power brakes, console with wood grain panel, bucket seats, light green metallic exterior, photos and receipts of restoration, Concours Gold certificate with a score of 95 out of 100, and that was at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, the McCacken show, and that gives you an idea of how nice a car it is, plus the fact that the restoration was done 12 years ago. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.